Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is the fat stored around the abdominal cavity, which surrounds several vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and intestines. It is different from subcutaneous fat, which is the fat stored just beneath the skin. Belly fat is considered to be a more dangerous type of fat because it can increase the risk of various health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. There are several natural foods that can help reduce belly fat. Avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help reduce belly fat. Berries. Berries like raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are low in calories and high in fiber and antioxidants, making them a great choice for reducing belly fat. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help reduce belly fat. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which can help reduce belly fat. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are high in fiber and can help keep you feeling full, which can help reduce belly fat. Lean protein. Lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, fish, and tofu can help reduce belly fat by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi can help promote healthy digestion and reduce belly fat.